Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at an apartment in Envigado, and stick around towards the end of the walkthrough because I'll go over on Google Maps to show you where we are and what's around you. So as we walk into this apartment, you can see the ribbon on there. So this is a brand new apartment. It was delivered in December of 2025, so just about 2 months ago. As we look at the kitchen here, so you don't have to do any upgrades, right? You don't have to do any remodeling. This is brand new construction. We're on the 27th floor, where this apartment has 75 square meters, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It also comes with a parking space, actually a double linear parking space, as well as a storage room. The amenities of this building, which are being built out, it has 2 towers, by the way, 2 apartment towers, and the building amenities include a swimming pool, which you'll be able to see, and you saw it in the intro. It also has like a Olympic lap pool as well for exercise. A social lounge is being built out, a reading room, yoga studio, a co-working space, sauna, as well as a gym. When I went to come and film this, they didn't have all of that set up yet, but they told me that it's in the works. And then the view from your apartment here from the balcony, you can see Itagüí, so you have a view towards Itagüí. You can see the pool from here, as well as the Mallorca shopping mall, which is in Sabaneta. So you're just like on the border of Envigado and Sabaneta, and that's like a 5-minute walk over there to the shopping mall. Now, this apartment is ideal for anyone that is looking for something brand new, right? Again, you don't have to do any upgrades. You basically just have to buy furniture because this is ready to go. It hasn't even been used. No one's moved in yet. So this is perfect for anyone that is looking for to be in Envigado and looking for something that is brand new. So I'll let you guys finish the walkthrough here, and then we'll go over to Google Maps to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, let's take a look at the listing of this apartment. If you guys want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, and I'll have all of the property details listed down below in the description of this video as well. But on our website, you can see details like price per square meter, the asking price listed in Colombian pesos, and the asking price converted into US dollar, which changes just depending on how the exchange rate is acting. So let's go over to Google Maps to show you what's around you and where we are in Envigado. So we're in Envigado. For those of you that don't know, it's this giant yellow area that I have marked out, right? It's the city just south of Medellin. And where the apartment is located, the building is located just right over here on the edge of Envigado. And it's this orange area that I have marked out. So it's just in this general area. And as I mentioned, it's on the edge, pretty much the border of Sabaneta and Envigado. And the things that I want to point out that you have around you. So let's say you want to go up to El Poblado, right? You have 2 main roads that you can use. If you have your own car, you can take the highway, which is marked out here in red. You can also take Avenida Las Vegas, which I have marked out here in red. You know, that street goes north and south of the city, so you can go up to El Poblado, to downtown of Medellin, or you can take it to go south to go to Sabaneta if you need to. Or maybe you don't have a car and you don't even want to take Uber and you want to go by metro. Well, you have a metro station right next to you, which is about a 5 to 10 minute walk. You have the Itagüí metro station right here where you can take it to go farther down south, or if you want to go up to Medellin, you can take it to go up north. Also 5 minutes walking distance to you is the Mallorca shopping mall. If you haven't checked it out, then it's definitely something to do. You have it just right there in front of you. You saw it from the view from the apartment. It's just about a 5-minute walk there. And you also have a sports complex, which is just about a 5-minute walk. Here in Envigado, they have a soccer team, Envigado FC, and this sports complex right here that is marked out in green, that's where they play I believe they're in the second division of the Colombian league here. Sometimes they do play against the two teams that Medellin has, and ticket prices will be cheaper as well. Then lastly, just to show you reference of where you are in Envigado a little bit more, we have the main park of Envigado marked out here in purple, where they'll sometimes have festivals going on, free concerts going on in the main square of Envigado. So you have it marked out just a little bit north of where the apartment building is. And that's just about, I would say, 20 minutes in Uber just to get there, so nothing crazy. So that's it for this area of Envigado and where this apartment is located. What I also like about this, one last thing that I want to mention, is that you're very close to Itagüí and Sabaneta. So if someone that is looking to be in these areas and wants new construction, then this apartment might be for you. These areas of Itagüí and Sabaneta and Envigado, they are improving. They have a few projects going on. For example, in Sabaneta, they have a new venue that's being built out where they're going to be able to host concerts. They're going to be able to host events. I believe that venue will be able to hold 20,000 seats, more or less, and they're just about 50% done. Last time I checked, I could be wrong, but you have projects like that going on in Sabaneta. I know Itagüí, they're going to be improving their areas as well, and of course, Envigado is always improving. So that's also something to consider when you're looking to buy and live in these areas of Sabaneta, Envigado, and Itagüí. That's it for this apartment in Envigado. If you guys are interested and you guys want to go check it out, or maybe you're interested in something else, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.